Hi guys, it's me, Gold Panda here. So this is me. Sorry if you saw that there. So yeah, this is my AJ account, and I decided to make a new profile. That's why I'm called Gold Panda, because I think it's a good name for a gold panda like me. Look what I am, an Animal Jam. So, yeah. Oh. Sorry, I'm just chewing something. I'm really bored right now. So, Awesome Wolf was asking, about my YouTube, so I'm giving him a shout out, and my name is Gold Panda. I will tell you why it is Gold Panda soon when you come on. Hopefully. So weird. Oh my god, I wear a mustache. Cool. And rare angel wings. Rare them. Cool. Rare eye patch. Rare star cape. Everything's there. And mostly some of them are for members as well. Except that, and no. And that's the cape and that. See who's in here. Okay. 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 Underwater Animal 2005. Oh. I'm gonna show you my friends actually. So she's on, not on, not on, not on, not on, not on, not on. It's one of my friends. Not on, not on. I've had her for ages. Ow. Not on. Okay, not on, not on, not on, not on. Oh, and not on. One of my friends. And he hasn't even went on yet. And I'm just on her account for no reason, really. This is my account. Gold Pen. What the heck? I'm not even famous. God, there's loads of people called that. But I'm the only special one, yay! Not really. But anyway, yeah. There goes birds, so I just want to say that. This is what I look like when I, it looks a bit better. Okay, I don't need like them. Might put this on and this. So I look more stylish. I don't really care. Bad day. stay out there. New gemmer. Awesome. Not really. New gemmers don't have a clue what to do. They never have a clue what to do, really. Dancing. That's still there. That is creepy. I don't think you do. Just gonna pause the video and see if someone has actually. So I found someone what's called this, and I'm just telling you if you want to add this person, you can add them. But anyway, let's just end this video here. No, I wasn't really doing anything in this video. It's my first Animal Jam video, and I don't know why I just clicked on there. I don't care. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, let's do the new year. Okay, bye guys.